Unleashing the meaning of dog-tired, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, dog-tired. Have you ever felt so exhausted that you just wanted to collapse? That's exactly what this phrase is all about. So, stay tuned to learn more about this interesting idiom. The phrase, dog-tired, is an informal way of saying that someone is extremely tired or completely exhausted. Imagine a dog after a long day of running and playing, how it flops down, too worn out to move. That's the level of tiredness we're talking about. Curious where dog-tired comes from? Historically, it's believed to have originated from Old English expressions. It's thought to reflect the intensely active life of working dogs, which would be very tired by the end of the day. This idiom has been in use for centuries, showing just how relatable this kind of exhaustion is. Now, let's put it into practice. You can say, after the marathon, I was dog-tired and couldn't walk another step. It's a descriptive way to emphasize just how tired you are. Remember, it's informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or writing. There are several other expressions in English that convey the same level of exhaustion. Phrases like worn out, beat, or dead on one's feet are all siblings to dog-tired in meaning. It's great to know these alternatives to enrich your conversational skills. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, dog-tired. We hope you found it insightful and that you'll feel confident using this expression in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint, so don't get dog-tired studying. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.